Hey guys, happy Thursday. It's time for math. We are actually going to be representing multiplication as groups. Since it's a short week, we're just going to keep on practicing doing this. So what I have right here is, let me try to center that for you guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, or 4 sets of 3 hearts each group, right? So what we need to do is figure out what our multiplication problem is and figure out the answer together. So we could do this by skip counting, which is probably what I'm going to do at least for this first one. But first we need to know what our problem is. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So we're going to write our 4. So 4 groups of 3 hearts. So 4 times 3. Or 3 times 4. Same thing, right? So I'm going to count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. So we know that our answer is going to be 12. You guys are doing great. All right. So now we're going to kind of come up with some of our own pictures here. So let's read our next instruction. So it wants us to do 4 groups of 5 triangles. So 4 groups of 5 triangles. So that means I need to draw 5 triangles. 2, 3, 4, 5 in each. So that's what it's going to look like at first. Sorry, mine aren't the prettiest. I need a pencil sharpener, I think. But I don't know where it is. So we're just going to make do and deal with how it is. So we have 4 groups of 5 triangles. So that's going to be 5 times 4, right? 5 times 4. And I know you guys are amazing at this, skip counting by 5. So let's go ahead. 5, 10, 15, 20. So our answer is 20. Okie dokie, guys. Let's look at the next one. So now they want us to do 5 groups of 2 stars. So there's only going to be 2 stars in each of these circles. So let's get started and I'll show you what mine looks like. 2 stars in each circle. So like I said, we're going to just draw those. So we've got our 2 stars in each of our circles, right? So if we've got 5 groups of 2 stars, that's going to be 2 times 5. So let's write our problem in. 2 times 5. So what we're going to do now is actually count by 2s, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. You guys are doing so great. I'm so proud of you. Let's try another one, shall we? So let's look at this one right here. We've got 3 groups of 6 books. So that means there's 1, 2, 3 circles. That's our groups, right? So we need to draw 6 books in each one. So I'm just going to draw like a little rectangle for my books. I'll show you what I mean in just a second here. So I have 6 little rectangles. Those are going to be my books, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got our 3 groups of 6 books now. So what is our multiplication problem? 3 times 6, right? Now, let's count by 6s. I know this is getting crazy, right? 6, 12, 18. So all we're doing each time is adding 6. So what was our answer? You got it, guys. 18. You're doing such a great job. We've only got 2 left. Let's get this done. All right, so our next one here is 6 groups of 3 pencils. Ooh, so quite a few groups. And it looks like there's gonna be 3 pencils in each. So I'm gonna do, just little lines are gonna be my pencils. But if you want to get more detailed, you may. So these are my pencils. There's 3 pencils in each group, right? So what's our problem? 3 times 6, right? So 3s, I think a lot of us have been having a hard time with them. Sometimes I even mess up, so that's okay. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And having those picture representations, if you get stuck, so maybe I was really good at the beginning and I can do 3, 6, 9, and then I don't know what's next. So what I can do, I know that I stopped at 9, so I could go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and we still get our answer. So there's more than one way to do this, but I do want you to practice your skip counting. It's gonna help you so much. So we've got 1 left, guys. You're rocking it. So we've got 2 groups of 7 dogs. I know I have some students out there that love dogs, so I can't wait for you to draw your little puppy faces here. So there's gonna be 7. I'm just gonna draw a little round head with some ears on it. I'll show you what I mean in just a second. My dogs aren't gonna be super detailed, but you can get as detailed as you want. So these are my little dogs, okay? And there's 7, so I have to do 7 more. And like I said, they don't have to be pretty or detailed, but if you want them to be, by all means, make them as beautiful as you want. This is your adventure. Okay, so 2 groups of 7 dogs. So what's our problem going to be? 7 times 2. So let's write it. So 7 times 2. So that's either going to be 7 plus 7, and we can count these up, or we can skip count 7 2 times. So 7, 14. And that's our answer. So we got to write it. And you guys just did this whole thing with me. You're amazing. And that's really all that we're going to do today. But I am so proud of you. And until next time, hugs.